It's recording.
Renal capsule.
Okay. The coating of the kidney, right? Which is what this color is referred to as, right?
Okay.
There's a renal capsule. Okay, the coating of the kidney. Then what else? Read it to me.
Renal cortex.
Renal cortex. Okay, the kidney is divided into an outer region and an inner region, right? The outer region is called the renal cortex. And what's the other one?
Or that one, the peach one,
And,
right?
one?
He pointed. Yeah.
Yeah.
This one also, yes. Yep. You can also refer to on this one. It's basically the outer region of the kidney is called the cortex, and the inner region where all these pyramids are located are the medullary region. Do you have that?
No.
Okay.
But we do have the renal medulla.
Pyramid.
Pyramids, okay, which are
the
these
brown
structures,
ones.
right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this shows a 3D view of it actually, right? That's how it looks like on the kidney.
Then the major calyx.
Okay, the major calyces and minor calyces, right? Let me have a look for a second. Okay, so you guys know that the urine that's being collected, that's going to come through these renal pyramids are going to collect into these little space, right? Okay, which are called the minor.
Oh, that's the minor.
These are the minor calyces.
He said he wasn't testing those though, but okay.
Okay, so these are the minor calyces, like these little space. Okay, and these minor calyces are gonna collect urine into this larger space, which are called the major calyces.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay.
We got the papilla.
Papilla.
Now, renal papilla,
Tip.
which is basically just the tip of the pyramid, that's just the tip of the pyramid is referred to as a renal papilla. Okay.
Then we got the renal pelvis.
Renal pelvis. So, like I said, the minor calyces is going to collect urine into the major calyces. Now, the major calyces is going to collect urine into the renal pelvis. This
Where?
larger pool. This was a smaller pool, right? That the urine that's being collected, and it became into a larger pool, and now this is even a larger pool, that's it. The urine is being collected. Okay, it's basically like a funnel.
So that the center, this part.
Exactly, this area.
Okay.
Then we have number 7, the ureter.
Ureter, which is this tube right here, right?
Yeah.
Collect the urine and
There's another
delivers
model
into
too.
the
I think
bladder, right?
He would use
This
that
is
duck
also
over there.
showing.
That
the
duck
big
over there.
one,
Oh, yes, yep.
the beige.
Okay. So you can.
That's the one he said he was going to test.
Yeah.
Okay, yep.
The long,
This long
number
tube,
6.
right?
Yeah.
That leads into which organ?
Bladder.
The bladder, right? Same as this right
Okay.
here, right?
Then we
And it's also shown on this model, right? Which is this tube right here, right? That's the
then we got
Ureter.
the urinary
Bladder.
bladder.
urinary bladder.
Right here for
boy.
male,
Okay, this is for a male.
and then right here for girl,
Female.
female.
Oh, yeah, this is for male. Yeah, that's right. I did not have a separate one.
Right here. The boy.
Okay, but I like a separate one. Do you want me to get that out for you? Yes.
No, we know it.
Renal.
Renal hilum,
Okay, renal hilum.
the indentation part.
It's basically the opening into this organ, right?
Right.
The kidney has a hilum, the lung has a hilum. It's basically that opening where all this blood vessels and the ureter enters. So he's probably gonna tag it like over here,
He said
Yeah.
we put a sticker here.
right over there.
Indentation.
Over here. Yep, that opening.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, the next one, number 10, renal artery and renal vein.
Okay. So the artery that comes out from the aorta, right, is gonna come into the kidney, right? So this is the renal artery right here, and this has to be the renal vein, right?
Okay.
Okay. Now the renal artery is gonna
Go to the segmental
which
artery
is
and
gonna
vein.
separate, right? Which are these two, okay?
Segmental.
Are the segmental artery
And
and
the
up to like over here,
segmental vein.
okay? Now this segmental vein has to be the blue one,
Blue.
right? Simple as that.
It's going to go into number
Okay.
12,
Now it's gonna
interlobar
Okay.
artery and vein.
Okay, so that's gonna lead into where it
The next one, next branch.
The arcuate.
okay, hold on. So the segmental artery will lead into the lobar artery, which are these right here, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
These artery. In between these pyramids, when it goes in between these pyramids, are called the lobar artery, and the vein that has to be called the lobar vein, right? Okay. Then
The acute
arcuate
Artery
artery.
and
So
vein.
that
Arch.
arcuate artery, right? So the lobar artery is going to arch over this pyramid, It's going to arch over this perimeter. All this arching one are called the arcuate artery.
Arcuate.
And this is also showing the vein also, which is a arcuate vein.
Vein.
Then what
Then
else?
we have
Then
the
interlobular.
Interlobular, which
Yeah.
got separated from the arcuate artery, which are really in the cortex, right?
Which one is the interlobular?
Interlobe.
The
These are
ones-
all
Oh, okay.
interlobular.
And then that one blue up there is the vein, right?
Exactly. This is the only one that shows it. It's not the only one, but then this model only shows that one. Okay?
Model.
Bowman's capsule.
Bowman's capsule, which is a microscopic structure that's inside your kidney, right?
Yep.
I also have a slide on the glomerulus capsule. Okay, so
Okay.
what was the first one again?
The Bowman's capsule, and then
Bowman's
after
capsule.
that, it's going to be the afferent.
Okay.
Afferent.
So the Bowman's capsule, it's this cup. That's
Right.
what it's referring to, okay?
Number 5.
Number 5.
Number
okay,
5.
good, okay. All right, number 5, okay? This
Okay.
cup is referring to the Bowman's capsule.
Then we got the afferent arterial.
Afferent arteriole, which is this
That's
right
that
here,
one.
right? The afferent, how to distinguish between afferent and efferent?
One is bigger than the other.
Yes, the lumen is actually smaller in the afferent, and it has a thicker wall on the afferent. And efferent has a thinner wall, if you look at it.
Okay.
Okay, that's
Okay.
good.
Don't really go by the color, because this, you can also see that this has a thicker wall than this. So this has to be the afferent, and this has to be the efferent, right?
Then glomerulus are the one inside.
Glomerulus.
The,
Yes,
Capillaries?
yeah, exactly. All these capillaries,
okay.
measure of capillaries,
Then
are called the
we
glomerulus.
stay there because it's proximal.
Okay, which are
Capillaries.
these capillaries
Okay.
again.
Then we got the proximal convoluted tubule.
Okay, the proximal
Convoluted
tubule.
tubule. So mad, ain't it? Oh, okay.
On this one, it's this right here. This is basically a cut of
For
the
what? Proximal right
Proximal.
Oh,
Proximal's
sorry,
right
yes.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
sorry.
what I thought.
Sorry, yes. This is
here. Can I
the
have your pay?
Proximal convoluted,
This
and
is
that's
the
the top
proximal.
one is the distal.
is a distal, correct?
Okay.
Okay,
Loop
proximal
of
convoluted
Henle.
tubule. He can also be tagged the proximal convoluted tubule like these ones right here. These yellow ones, okay? It's gonna make all this squiggly way, and it's gonna go down, right?
So those are the yellow ones are proximal.
Proximal.
Where's
Okay.
the distal on it there?
All this white right here.
Oh, okay.
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 Loop of
You
Henle.
can,
Loop of Henle, you was just there.
It was there.
the loop of Henle, okay?
Yeah,
Ascending.
Okay. The loop. This is the
Descending.
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 The white
And
part
when it
is
comes
the
up, it's
ascending.
ascending, and it's going
Then-
to become the
Collecting duct.
Collecting duct.
well, the loop of Henle is going to
Oh.
become the
You taking us back
Distal.
to another one? Distal. Oh,
convoluted
okay.
tubule, right?
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Then the distal convoluted tubule is going to lead into the
Collecting duct.
into
The thick
these
white.
tube right here.
Collecting duct.
Okay, which are the collecting duct, right?
And lastly, the
Let you say that word.
juxtaglomerular apparatus.
Juxtaglomerular apparatus.
I forgot what that
Let me
was.
show you on that.
Where did you say that was?
I
Oh, this one right here.
forgot.
This one,
The
right?
purple. He said the
Notes on that one.
purple.
Oh, the little purple sac.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
The light purple ball.
Next to the
Sac
afferent.
Right.
controls blood pressure.
Correct. This
Yeah,
right
that
here.
one.
Number
Okay.
7.
Basically, like a whole bunch of cells that controls
All right.
the blood